Looking for the best foldable phones to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. This foldable phone stands out with its high-end design and impressive features. Despite being a foldable, it's surprisingly lightweight and thin, weighing just 236 g and measuring only 5.2 mm thick when closed. Once unfolded, you get two large AMOLED screens, including an 8.03-inch internal display with a 4:3 aspect ratio, which is perfect for watching videos and viewing photos. The display quality is stunning, with vibrant colors and support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and runs Android 14, providing smooth performance for multitasking and gaming. It comes with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro also features Gemini AI for better multitasking, though competitors like Samsung offer more robust software experiences. For photography, it has a 50MP main lens, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens, delivering incredible images in any lighting. The 5,700 mAh battery lasts more than a day on heavy use, and it can be fully charged in less than 45 minutes with 100W fast charging. While the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro has amazing hardware, it's not as feature-packed as some competitors, and its software updates may not be as frequent. It's also tough to buy outside of India and China due to limited availability. But for those who can get their hands on it, this phone offers premium performance, stunning screens, and excellent cameras. Number 4. OnePlus Open. A daring foray into the foldable phone industry, the OnePlus Open packs a punch in a stylish book-style package. This device offers a top-notch multitasking-friendly experience with its 7.82 in Flexi Fluid AMOLED inner panel and 6.31 in AMOLED outside display. Also, one of the best parts is the screen, which has a 120Hz refresh rate for both displays, so everything seems crisp and clear. Combining flair with portability, its lightweight design measures 239 g, powerful and efficient. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform drives the OnePlus Open. It boasts 16 GB of RAM using RAM Vita technology to improve multitasking capacity. It also provides 512 GB or 1 TB of storage. Moreover, the OnePlus Open contains AI-powered photographic capabilities like AI Eraser and AI Smart Cutout, which help to remove undesired components from images and enable exact cutout creation. In terms of battery, the 4,855 mAh battery lasts all day and can be quickly charged to 50% in just 15 minutes using the 67-watt rapid charging feature. For camera quality, it boasts twin front cameras, 32MP and 20MP, and a Hasselblad co-developed triple rear camera system, 48MP main, 64MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and 48MP ultra-wide, incorporating state-of-the-art technology, a foldable design, and luxury materials. The OnePlus Open offers 512 GB of storage for approximately $1,699. In terms of power, style, and top-tier technology, this is a beast to be reckoned with. Number 3. Honor Magic V3. With a thickness of only 9.2 mm when folded, the Honor Magic V3, which debuted in July 2024, sets a new standard for ultra-thin foldable phones. Both the primary 7.92 in AMOLED display and the peripheral 6.43 in OLED display provide bright, vivid colors and an adaptable refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz. With up to 1 TB of storage, up to 16 GB of RAM, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 engine, it packs a punch despite its diminutive stature. The 5,150 mAh battery gets the job done, but it won't last forever, even though it charges quickly at up to 66 watts. In terms of camera, the Magic V3's camera system catches vivid, colorful, and clear images even in low light with its 50MP primary, 50MP secondary, and 40MP ultra-wide sensors. Furthermore, included on this phone are great features as Magic Portal, portable face-to-face translation, AI Eraser for photos, and Honor Notes for business. It has a luxury feel and a minimalist design, and it weighs only 226 g, making it one of the lightest foldables. With its impressive performance, flexible camera system, and rapid charging, this foldable phone is a tempting option for $1,699 in the US. Number 2. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Google has refined its second foldable smartphone, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and priced it at $1,800. In keeping with the style of the Pixel 9 series, it has a quality metal body, a smooth hinge, and an aesthetically pleasing design. Both the front and back displays are OLED and they both have 120Hz refresh rates and 2700 nits of brightness, so you can enjoy vivid images even when you're not using the device. Even though it has a somewhat lower 4650 mAh battery, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's powerful Tensor G4 CPU, 16GB of RAM, and up to 512GB of storage provide great performance, seamless multitasking, and efficient battery life. Android 14 developed by Google makes use of the foldable design to provide a tablet-optimized user interface, app pairing, and multitasking capabilities like a taskbar. For photography, a 48MP primary sensor, ultra-wide and telephoto lenses provide for a respectable camera package, albeit it falls short of the sophistication of previous Pixel 9 Pro versions. The incorporation of Gemini AI and the device's long-term software support, 7 years of updates, make it an excellent media and productivity tool for individuals seeking a robust multi-purpose folding phone tablet hybrid with top-notch hardware design and software. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is an enticing option despite its 257g weight and bulkiness. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. With its ultra-durable and flexible display and sleek polished body, the Z Fold 6 is Samsung's next daring offering. A roomy 7.6 and dynamic AMOLED screen with vibrant colors and silky smooth 120Hz refresh rates greets you upon unfolding. Built with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for further durability, it features a 6.3-inch outside screen when closed, so making it ideal for fast work. And with the most recent Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor powering the Z Fold 6, you can expect top-tier performance. Whether you're multitasking or gaming, multitasking or storing high-resolution images won't be a problem with the 12GB of RAM and 512GB or 1TB of storage that are available. The 4400 mAh battery isn't going to hold up for an entire day of intense use. But wait, thanks to Samsung's smart power management, you can expect to get roughly 8 to 10 hours of moderate use. Also, the camera's setup is designed to capture spectacular photos even in low light. It has a 50MP primary sensor, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP telephoto lenses. Selfies and video calls are easily handled with the front and under-display cameras. In addition, the multitasking features, simple flex mode, and compatibility for the S Pen make the Z Fold 6 an impressive device from Samsung. It's perfect for both work and play. Lastly, how much is it? The starting price for the base model is about $1,899. It's pricey, but if you want to try out foldable electronics of the future, it's a great alternative.